Okay, here we go. Slendrina the school, man. You know what? Let's play. It doesn't matter. Putang ina, ito na naman tayo. Hello? Hey, Fuse, man. Kolektahan natin tong gagawin to, so let's go. Nilaro ko to kanina. Oh, yeah. Para naman, alam ko yung gagawin. Kasi ako na mamamatay, diba? So, yeah. Let's go. Putang ina. Putang inang background sound dyan. Parang ayoko na eh. Did I even do this, man? Ano, nalabas na dyan. Eh, wala. Oh! Fuck! Fuck! Sabi ni. Ah! Speedrun natin to, guys, okay? Ayoko namang maano to. Save muna natin yung medkit para, we have the key. Wala naman dyan. Yeah, this game... Sorry for that, guys. Gago, may naglalakad dun, oh. Yeah, fuck that. Tangina, ayoko tignan mukha niya, gago. Susi pa dito. You're in the kitchen, bro. So, tatlo na lang yung fuse. Tingin-tingin naman tayo. Good. So far, so good. Tangina, pag nag-jumpscare na naman, tangina, ewan ko na lang. Hello? Okay, we got the shit. Naman tuturon na naman tong gagon to. Ay magpakita eh. Buti na lang mabilis ako mag-swipe. Oh fuck! Speedrun ko na kasi. Yeah, no keys. Just keep looking, man. I got this. Of course I got this. Tanga na, dalawa na lang. Sana yung isa. Tangina, nung una ko tong naisip laruin, I just wanna play this game because ano eh, para pag every time na naglalaro ng horror games, nasasanay ko na yung ano eh. Yeah, whatever. Oh my god! What the f... Ano yun? Stop doing this. That shit. Yes. Tangina, grammar ko. Ano yun? Sana yung dalawa? Putang ina. Let me check again. May fuse pa dito. Yeah, no shit. Hirap maghanap ng fuse. Yan pa, balikan. Tangina. Okay, last one. Last na lang. And we're gonna get the fuck out of this school, man. Magda-jumpscare na naman yung height na yun. Alam ko naman eh. We're just trying to avoid it, man. Just look straight. Don't look at her face, okay? Saan na yung fuse? Oh, I hate this shit. Nothing, that's the fuse. Oh, we're still working, guys. Got this. Whoa! Nagte-teleport. Putang inang hype na yan. Lalabas sa mukha ko. Kailangan pa talaga ilapit yung mukha sa akin. Oh shit. I don't know what to use this case, man. Baka hindi nabubukas. I don't get it. Oh shit! What the fuck? Huh? Gago, wala naman. fuse na lang yung kailangan ko. Ang dilim kasi, puta. Ah, shit, man. Can't find the fuse. Bulag lang ba ako? Can't find it. Isa na lang, man. Isa na lang. Ah, ito pala. Oh my god. Naalala to. Yo, yo. What? The fuck? Then saan? Oh. Sana. Where? Wala namang hayop. Oh, fuck. I don't like you. I will never like you. Ina, magdadabog ako dito pag ito nahanap yun. Wala naman. Fuck's this world. What the fuck? Saan yung fuse? Putang ina. I can't find the fuse, putang ina. Trying to look for it. Last one na lang. Oh, fuck. I'm really blind, guys. Yeah. Can't find it. Sorry. Fuck. Saan yun? Putang ina mo? Putang ina, 14 minutes yung nare-record tong ano na to, video na to. Putang, pinapatagal. Drag. What? Wait, what? Gagong puta, naglalag kong. Saan na? I hate this shit. Sorry guys, there was technical problem. Bago kakaayos ko lang ng ano, tangina. Nahanap ko na nga lang yung isa, 'di ba? Maghintay ka dyan, putang ina mo, Slenderina ka, gago ka. Still looking for that fuse, putang ina, di ko mahanap. Sa dilim dito sa lugar na to. Tanga na, wala kasing flashlight. Parang tanga lang yung laro. I still can't find it, man. I'm so blind. I'm blind as fuck. Kaya natin to. Matatapos natin to, guys. Okay? Together. Even though we're not really together. What? Putang ina, di ko mahanap. Still can't find it. Ang ina. Wala naman dito. Fuck! Ang ina, sakit na ng ulo ko. Talaga mahanap. Can't find it. Whoa. I don't like you. Tangina, nasaan na yun? Still looking for it. Puta. Mahanap. Kakaputang ina. Sick and tired of this game. Parang gusto ko nang i-give up. Saan dito? Wala. I need to find it. I need to find it. Literally dying here, looking for a fucking fuse. What the fuck is that? Oh, tangina. Nasaan ng fuse? Tangina mo, Slenderina, gago ka. Fuck, man. Every time that music hits, tangina mo. Still can fucking find it. Isang susi. Tangina, saan yun? Man, I can't find it. Wala rin dyan. How could I find it? Wala na medkit, maubos na. I don't know where. Shit. Stop pushing up. Stop. Talaga ba? Wala. That's impossible, man. Invisible. Anong pintuan yun? Hindi ko nabubuksan. Ayun! Oh my god, thank god. We finally find it. After all those minutes and seconds, putang ina. Kakahanap ng fuse, nandun lang pala. Telling you guys, I'm blind as fuck. Ko talaga makita ng mga nakadulip. I don't... Pray. We managed to make it. Let's go. Fuck you. Oh shit. I didn't mean that, Slenderine. I didn't say fuck you or anything. You're I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. I'm just letting you know. I don't care about the picture, so let's get the fuck out of here. Putang ina. Bahala kayo dyan. Oh shit. What? Hello? Hey. Fuck! I'm sorry, okay? Didn't mean to, man. Ang ina, tinulak pa ako ng hyper. Yo! Damn. Let's go! Putang ina. Okay, that's it, guys. I'm done, okay? Di ko na gagawin to ulit. Bahala na kayo.